Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use a template to send documents for signature with the BoldSign PHP SDK. Make sure you have installed PHP version 7.4 or higher. I open my project in Visual Studio Code, launch the terminal, and head to the BoldSign developer documentation. As shown here, you can install the SDK by running the installation command and then running the composer install in the terminal to install the dependencies. Since I have already installed it, I'll confirm the setup by running composer show BoldSign / BoldSign PHP. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. Now, to send a document for signature using a template, you need to have a template created first. I've already created my template, so I'll proceed with sending the signature request. I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the PHP code for sending a document, and paste it into my newly created PHP file. Next, I update the code. In the configuration, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't created your API key yet, you can generate one in the BoldSign Web App on the API key page under the API section. The template API configuration lets me specify the template, configure signer details, and set up form fields for the document I want to send for signature. I update the signer details such as the name and email in the code. With the signer details ready, I need to insert the template ID. Since I already created the template, I switch to the BoldSign Web App, expand the templates section, and select All Templates. Here's the NDA template I created. I click the context menu, select Copy Template ID, and paste it into my PHP code. Finally, I call the Send Using Template method to send the document using the template. I run the script, and the document is sent for signature. Now, let's switch to the BoldSign Web App to check the document status. I go to the Documents section and select My Documents. There's the NDA I just sent. When I open it, I see the document ID, status, and signer details. Everything looks good, and the document is waiting for the signer to take action. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.